YouTube, it is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video on a Hot Wheels unboxing. We have a 2019 Kia Stinger GT today in metallic blue, the first color, and this came out in 2020. I got this on my hobby shop. This is the last color I needed for the Kia Stingers that I have. This is the second color for 2020, light gray. Then we saw it in metallic red in 2021. And then metallic black later in 2021. This is a Korean performance sedan, and it's four-door sedan, 2019 Kia Stinger GT. This is from the Factory Fresh series for 2020, number 3 of 10. New for 2020 model, and 198 of 250 on the year of 2020 from L-Case. And you can read that there. This was born in 2019. Not even going to try to pronounce that. Kia makes their very first appearance in the Hot Wheels lineup with their powerful and trend-setting sports sedan, the Stinger GT. Factory Fresh is highly detailed, cutting-edge designs. Just get in the driver's seat and prepare to turn heads. So apparently this is the first Kia ever made by Hot Wheels. Let's crack it open. And very, very nice. Easy open. The glue really came off nicely. All right, metallic blue color on this Kia. Wow, that is really sharp. That looks great. Wheel spin right. This has the front there, nice Kia. The Kias have been coming out with some really nice looking cars lately. There's the front, very nice design. This has the gray Y5 spoke wheels, beautiful metallic blue. There's the interior, a black interior with the driving on the American side. There's the back. Almost reminds me of a Charger with those lights. Very nice Kia Stinger. There is the side profile. There's the rear. And this has a sunroof. And there you guys go. The little hood intakes. And this has a black plastic base. This car is made in Malaysia. This is going to go great in my loose collection with my other Kia Stingers. And now I have all 4 colors. As far as I know, they might be coming out with more, but we'll see. I'll have to look it up. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. I would love to see the support on the channel. And thank you guys for all the support you already give me. Thank you for commenting on my latest videos. I really appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.